Hello everyone, I'm Tion from AP3, and in this quick reference tutorial, we'll guide you through the steps to wash your freshly ceramic coated vehicle. If you're seeking setup instructions, you can find our comprehensive guide linked in the description below. If you're interested in a more detailed explanation of the process, we've got that covered too. So let's dive right in. To begin, I recommend starting with re-soak them with an all-purpose cleaner or soap, then use a dedicated wheel brush. Make sure to rinse each wheel thoroughly before moving on to the next. Next comes the rinse step. Before you break out your foam cannon, use a pressure washer to rinse the car from top to bottom, just like you would with a water squeegee to remove larger particles. Take your time in this step to ensure a clean surface, as any remaining particles can potentially scratch your paint during the washing process. Once you've completed the rinse, cover the entire surface with foam and begin washing with your mitt. If you have two mitts, use the first for the roof, windows, hood, and other high surfaces, and the second for the lower areas. Always move the mitt side to side and avoid applying too much pressure or scrubbing in circular motions. After you finish washing the entire exterior surface, give it another thorough rinse. Now that your vehicle is rinsed, dry it off with a leaf blower. To complete the drying process, employ the two-towel method. One towel to soak up excess moisture, and the other to buff the surface dry. Once the exterior is clean, I like to use my soak towel to wipe down all the jams, and my cleaner buff towel to clean my dash, seats, door panels, and other interior surfaces. A final vacuum and wiping away any dog nose smudges is usually my last step. And of course, don't forget to take a step back and admire your freshly cleaned car. Feel free to snap a picture and share it, and be sure to tag AP3 when you do.